instance, the mining industry has come out very clear in support of partnerships with the Department of Health. We talk about Westvaal, it's an Anglo Gold Ashanti donation. If you talk about Maseve Field Hospital, it's a partnership between the Department of Health and Royal Bafokeng. Westvaal, 270 beds. The contribution of Dove Scott, which originally used to be a mine hospital, and also the contribution in the whole response. You talk about PPE, you talk about food donations. It has given us lessons on how to partner with the industry. This partnership must be nurtured, but also they must be kept working.